Alright, so it looks like Tesla released another software update, 2023.27.7. Let's look at the release notes. Okay, here you can see they updated the FSD beta to 11.4.7.3. I'll have to see the software, like additional stuff later, because I don't have my car nearby. But here you can see, improve short deadline lane changes, avoid getting off route through better modeling of target lane vehicles to improve gap selection. Assertiveness, improved offset consistency when controlling for static obstacles, also improves smoothness when changing offset direction by adjusting speed more comfortably. Improved handling of oncoming cars on narrow unmarked roads by improving prediction of oncoming cars' trajectory and leaving enough room for them to pass before recentering. Improved occupancy flow prediction from the occupancy network for arbitrary moving obstacles by 8%. Expanded usage of the new object ground truth auto labeler for the non-VRU detection model, improving distant vehicle recall and geometry precision for semi-trucks, trailers, and exotic vehicles. Improved VRU control by expanding planning scope to control gently for low confidence detections that may interfere with ego's path. Improved handling for VRUs near crosswalks by predicting their future intent more accurately. This was done by leveraging more pneumatic data to improve association between crosswalks and VRUs. Improved ego's behavior near VRUs by tuning their assumed pneumatic properties and utilizing available semantic information to classify more accurately their probability of intersecting ego's path. Improved automatic emergency braking recall in response to cut-in vehicles and vehicles behind ego while reversing. And introduce automatic emergency braking on general obstacles detected by occupancy network. Hopefully it's not going to introduce more like accidental braking, but yeah. Alright, so I guess we'll wait to see. I don't know if they're going to show the other information here. I don't want to start the thing yet because I might have to drive soon. But yeah, and then this is the previous update. Alright, that's it for now. See you guys later.